In this video, I'll show you how to create pages with WP Sales Engine plugin. Here is the Sales Engine. There are two tabs. One for landing pages, for creating new pages, and the Squeeze Pages tab for creating squeeze pages. Click on Landing Pages. Select the pages you want to create. For example, Product Download Page, Privacy Policy, Disclaimer, Terms of Service, Contact Page, Affiliate Resource Page, and click Create New Pages. Go to Pages. You will see those pages created. In the Sales Engine tab, there is a Preferences tab. And here is the legal form setting. Just fill in your info, which will be automatically inserted in your pages. And click Save Changes. One of the pages that created automatically is the footer text, which includes everything that appears in the footer section. It's created as a draft, but once we publish this page, it will appear in the footer. Click on Footer Text. You can insert any text you want. Here is the links. You can delete any link. You can add your own links. Click on Publish. Go to Product Download Page. Make some changes that reflect your product. Here you need to provide your support email address and insert clickbank.com. Here is the actual product download link. The web address for this page is difficult to guess. And it's hidden from search engines. Click on Save a Draft. Go to Media. Click on Add a New. Select Files. Left-click your file and open. Once it's uploaded, just highlight the URL, right-click and copy. Save all changes. Go to Pages. Find your product download page. Click on that. Highlight this. Click on the hyperlink. Then right-click and paste. Add link. Your download link is there. Click on Publish. View page. This is your thank you page URL, which you need to copy and paste in the Aweber autoresponder service later. Once you install the Exclude Pages plugin, you have some options here. Scroll down, uncheck this box to exclude this page from list of pages. Click Update. Go to Squeeze Pages. Choose one of the templates here. Click on Step 2. Choose your opt-in box and then Step 3. Click on Finish. Go to Pages. Click on Opt-in page. You can change the text. This is the shortcode for the opt-in box. Publish. View page. Here it is. All these features of the WP Sales Engine can help you in formatting your pages. See you in the next video.